All right, here we have Jeff Witchell. Jeff, it was nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
I saw you many times on LinkedIn and, of course, YouTube. And what are you going to be speaking about here at the Creative Pro?
My first talk is going to be on Wednesday, and it's going to be mostly InDesign, but it's titled Learn How to Learn. And you can actually, once you know the basics, you can keep growing your knowledge just by using some very simple techniques. And on Thursday, I'm going to be talking about Acrobat.
Oh, wow.
And it's going to be, you know, most people think of Acrobat as this program that they send to the printer. You know, they send a PDF to the printer, or their client will send them a marked up layout with the changes that they want. And it is so much more, and people just don't know about it.
Right.
So that should be an interesting talk.
That'll be great. And you have a lot of content up on YouTube. Where can people see some of your videos? But you'll have tutorials.
Yeah, I have way over 100 video tutorials right now. It's on my website, jeffwitchel.net, and they're totally free. You know, anybody can go in there, and you know, it's a great place to you know, kind of take your knowledge to the next level.
Yeah, and also, just so people know, these videos, these talks you're going to be doing here will be available online on the Creative Pro site after the event.
That's correct, yeah.
I'll put a link, they can download those too. So
absolutely, yeah. That's one of the great things about this conference is it doesn't go away. You know, you can look at it, you know, a month later and, you know, say, oh yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, and a lot of people here. It's amazing. Really, really vibrant atmosphere. And
yeah, very friendly people too, which is great.
Yeah.
You know, you go to some of these really gigantic conferences, and it's like you feel like you're by yourself because there's just too many people.
Right.
Here, it's a little bit more intimate and very friendly people. Everybody talks to each other.
Yeah.
And you know, I had breakfast this morning with a bunch of speakers from the conference. And it was great because, you know, to hear exactly what it is they're doing.
Right.
And it's a lot of fun.
Excellent. Well, Jeff, nice seeing you and talking to you. Thank you.
Nice finally meeting you.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks.